Hello everyone, my name is Bansi and welcome back to my channel. As we all know that summer has arrived and along with bringing the joy of eating mangoes with it, the heat of the sun has also brought many skin and hair related problems like pigmentation, dark spots, open pores and many more. But you don't need to worry because I am here to solve them. So without a further ado, let's get started. Dehydration is one of the most common problems that we all face during these summers. And it is no secret that high intake of water every day ensures to clean out your system and also boost your metabolism. Here, I will be making an infused water or a detox water that is basically water infused with fruits. So today, I will be sharing the most basic recipe of infused water with you all.
For this, I've taken cucumber, which is an antioxidant, lime, which contains vitamin C, mint leaves that aid digestion, and any fruit of your choice. I have taken sweet lime. Put everything in a jar, and this is how it looks like. And also, it tastes really good.
We all know that rubbing an ice cube is very beneficial for our skin. It helps improving blood circulation and hence makes our skin brighter. Here's an upgraded version of ice cubes which will not only brighten up your skin but also has many other benefits.
For the first ice cube, take some green tea and pour it in ice tray. Potato helps in reducing dark spots and tomato is rich in vitamin C, which is again very good for applying on our skin. Grind them together and pour the mixture in ice tray. For the third ice cube, I've taken homemade rose water and natural aloe vera gel. For making homemade rose water, heat some water with rose petals in it on a low flame. Mix the two and pour the mixture in ice tray. Rub one of these ice cubes in the morning and at night daily, and I'm sure this is your key to the glowing skin. For making this 2-in-1 face wash, mix some coffee powder in your face wash and your face wash will work as a scrub also. As coffee contains anti-aging properties, it helps in treating inflammation and also it helps in treating sunburns. For making this amazing toner, I have taken homemade rose water and green tea. Now take your spray bottle and fill it half with rose water and the remaining half with green tea. Apply this toner after washing your face daily. For making this detan face pack, I've taken cucumber juice, haldi and besan. Mix all the three ingredients for making a smooth paste. Apply this evenly on your face and neck and rinse it off after 10 to 15 minutes.
Remember this rose water aloe vera gel ice cubes that we made earlier? It has 3 uses. Firstly, rose water helps in soothing down your skin. Secondly, it closes the large open pores on your skin. And third, it can also be used as a primer before applying your makeup. Just take one of the ice cubes and rub it on your skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off. Many of us have a problem of oily scalp and in summer this problem gets even more intense. So washing your hair every day is not the solution for this because when you wash your hair more often, your hair tends to produce even more oil. So you can always use a dry shampoo for this, but if you're not having a dry shampoo, then just take some talcum powder in your hands and rub it on your scalp like so. So it's gonna make your hair look temporarily fresh. As the summers are getting intensive day by day, our scalp tends to develop itchiness mainly because of the excessive oil production on our scalp. And for that, here I have this concoction wherein I have mixed 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 4 tablespoons of water, and the apple cider vinegar that I am using is by this brand called Wow Skin Science apple cider vinegar, and it claims to be raw, unfiltered and unpasteurized. You can use any brand apple cider vinegar, but just make sure that it says with the mother of vinegar on the bottle. So for this, take the concoction, dip a cotton ball in it and dab it all over your scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Until next video, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.